2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.